Here's how to talk about meeting someone in Igbo using three simple structures. Number one, Ezutere dash. I met dash. Ezutere enyi. I met my friend. Ezutere ada. I met Ada. Ezutere ya. I met him. I met her. 2. Ezutere dash. Did you meet dash? Ezutere enyi gị. Did you meet your friend? Ezutere Ada. Did you meet Ada? Ezutere ya. Did you meet him? Did you meet her? And our final phrase is onye ka izutere. Who did you meet? Onye ka izutere. And to answer this, we'll come back to number one. Ezutere enyi Ada ya. And you can check the caption for a list of other things you can use with this structure. Quick question. If someone said to you, Ezutere Ada ebe a? How would you say, no, I did not meet Ada here? Leave in a comment, and as always, come back tomorrow for more.